In this video, we will learn about the types of keywords. There are many different ways in which we can categorize keywords used in search. For example, we can categorize them based on their function, such as informational, keywords that people use when searching for information about a product or service, or commercial keywords, which are keywords people use when they are ready to buy, navigational keywords that people use when looking for directions to a specific page or activity. So these are functional qualification or function categorization of keywords. Another way to categorize keywords is based on user centricity. We can think in terms of keywords used by the user at different stages of a buying cycle. For example, which keywords the person is going to use during research phase of the buying process. Which keywords the person might use during consideration stage. So research is when a user is trying to understand more about the problem and what are the possible solutions out there. Consideration stage is when the buyer is now collecting information about solutions that fit his or her need. Then at buying stage, the user is going to home in on one particular solution that is best suited for his or her need and buy it. And then the loyalty phase is when the user has purchased and is going to be using that keyword or promoting that product, and therefore there are going to be more people who are going to be searching with that keyword which relates to the brand of the product. So these are going to be branded keywords. So one example could be somebody who is trying to buy CRM software. At research stage, the person will probably search for CRM software. What are the CRM software out there? What benefits they provide, and so on and so forth. At consideration stage, you might start searching with best CRM software or best CRM software for accounting firm, depending on specific needs. And then at the buying stage, might again do some search related to buying of the CRM software. For example, how to buy CRM software, what are the things to watch out for before buying CRM software, so on and so forth. And then at the loyalty, keywords would be something like a Salesforce CRM, which is a leader in CRM space. So people searching Google with Salesforce CRM, that's a loyalty or branded keyword. Another way to categorize keyword is to look at how they relate to business or customer. For example, industry related keywords. Keywords that are used to define the industry, for example, IT services. Keywords that are used by the customers, how customers talk about themselves. For example, healthcare startup. I'm a healthcare startup. So I want my product developed. I might say software development for healthcare startups. So that's a customer centric keyword because that is how customers talk about themselves. Then there could be product keywords, keywords that describe or relate to a product or service. So this is another way to categorize keywords. We can look at keywords from branding perspective. So keywords that represent you or your competitor's brand, those are branded keywords. If people are searching with that, that's good for your business if people are searching with your brand, and those are called branded keywords. Keywords related to influencers in your industry. Every industry has set of influencers, and people search with that keyword that relate to those influencers to find information about influencers. And you can be interested in those keywords, because if somebody is searching for a keyword that relates to an influencer, that means the person is trying to find out something about your industry. Then there are adjacent keywords, keywords that describe or related or adjacent products. So they don't exactly relate to your product, but maybe relate to a related product. And you may be interested in those keywords because it means somebody is interested in a related product, might be interested in your product also. Then there could be location specific keywords. For example, software development company in India. I am looking for a company in India. So those are location specific keywords. Keywords are also categorized by their size and search volume. When I say size, it means the number of words included in the search query. And we categorize them as head. Head keywords include one or two words and have very high monthly search volumes. For example, software is a single word, and if you look at the search volume, there are lots of people searching internet with software. The body keywords usually include 2 to 3 words and have lower search volume than the head keywords. For example, software development. Now it has 2 words, so it is longer than the head word, and it has lower search volume compared to software. Then there are tail keywords, which include 3 or more words, and they have a much lower search volume. It means fewer people searching for it every month. For example, software development companies. So there are going to be fewer people searching Google with software development companies keyword compared to people who search Google with software development, and that is going to be even lower than people who search Google with the keyword software. So this is another way to categorize keywords. Let us see how we can find keyword search volume so we can categorize the keywords. Normally, a keyword is more valuable if more people are searching for it, because it means if you target that keyword and rank high for that keyword, you'll be able to capture a big traffic. We can use Google Keyword Planner to find search volumes. Google Keyword Planner is a Google tool. It is free to use and is part of AdWords platform. If you enter a keyword in that planner, it will tell you how many people approximately each month are searching for that keyword in your targeted geography. And it will also show you other related keywords that people are using to search Google and what is their search volume. So you can start with a basic keyword about your product, find its search volume, and find more related keywords in Google Keyword Planner and other tools, and then search their search volumes. So you can categorize and prioritize keyword based on the search volumes and see which ones make more sense for you to target. Search volume is normally high for shorter keyword or smaller keywords, and it is lower for longer keywords. Shorter keywords are generic. These are head keywords like software. They are shorter, they are more generic, they have very high search volumes, and it is very hard to rank for generic keywords due to high competition because everybody wants a piece of that traffic. The longer keywords are much more specific to users' need, and therefore they are lower search volume. But it is also easier to search for those keywords because there is a lot less competition. These are normally